Do you want to add music on WhatsApp status? You can put song to WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add music to your WhatsApp status, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the camera icon or Add Status option to create a new status. A new screen will appear showing photos and videos from your gallery. From here, select a photo or video that you want to post with music. Now your status editing screen appears. From here, tap on the music icon at the top of the screen. A new screen appears with a list of music from the library. Scroll down and choose a music track, or search by typing the music name in the search box and select the one. You can choose a specific part from the music using the crop tool at the bottom of the screen. Once selected, tap the Done button. Now, tap the Send icon at the bottom right to post your status with music. Your WhatsApp status will have music and can be viewed by your contacts based on your privacy settings.